In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Android Studio and Java JDK and set up your environment so that you are able to work with Android and start coding. So first of all, navigate to Google and type in Android Studio, and you need to um, go to this link, developer.android.com, and then you have the options depending on your system. Here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download it for Windows. In the next tutorial, we are going to cover another tutorial for Mac users. So click on download, and then you need to agree to this stuff, and then click download Android Studio for Windows. And then since I have already downloaded it, so I cancel this download. And also make sure your system requirements are compatible with the version of Android. You can check that by checking first your computer and checking the requirements given by Android. So here I have my download that I have downloaded before. So what I need to do is click that, but before I do that, let's first download the Java JDK. So first go to Google again and type JDK and click on this link, downloads. Then you need to choose um, your system again. Click on Java Platform JDK 9, which is the latest one. And then if you use Mac, you need to download this one. Windows, you need to download obviously this one. Linux as well. Our one is Windows is this one, so I'm gonna download it. First, you need to click on accept license and click download, and it's gonna start downloading down there. So I'm gonna pause until it finishes. I also downloaded the version 8, so you either have the option of downloading the 8 version or 9. But in my situation, I'm gonna download 8, and my Windows is 64, so I'm gonna download that. So make sure which one to download depending on your Windows system, whether it's 32 or 64. And there is no difference between 9 and 8. 9 is just the latest one. So after I downloaded it, I have it on my desktop here. So I'm going to click on it. So this is what pops up when I click on the installation icon. And then what we need to do is to click next, and then we just want to know the directory in order to copy it into our environment. Then we click next, and it's going to download everything for us. It doesn't take too much to download and extract everything. So now we click next again, and it's downloading, and that's it. It's pretty simple. We need to install our Android Studio, so I'm gonna click on it, and it's preparing to install in our PC. This is the window for installation. I already installed it, but for this tutorial, I'm gonna install it once again to show you how to do so. So first of all, I'm gonna uncheck this, uninstall the previous version, and then next. And if you want to download a virtual device, I'm not gonna do that because we are going to use another virtual device. other than the one given by Android Studio, and then click Next, and it's gonna be installing in the Android in the directory of program files Android by the name of Android Studio 1, and then Next, and then just hit Install. And now it's installing. It takes some time. And that's it. It's completed. And then I'm gonna hit next and just click finish if you want to start Android in Android Studio. So in the next tutorial, we are gonna start Android Studio and start coding. Thanks for watching and see you later.